We believe in a future where devices respond to us automatically and react according to our needs. That's why we created Rabbit. An all-in-one product driven by computer vision technology to provide breakthrough solutions for dynamic lighting, sound, and communication. We know that people move constantly according to their activities. To provide a more intuitive, interactive experience, Rabbit will read your physical movements and adjust to you by moving along the flexible AirPath rail. So when you move across the room, Rabbit moves too. It uses real-time panoramic detection to calculate the optimum lighting position between you and your surroundings. As your environment changes throughout the day, the ambient light sensors and posture recognition system automatically adjust the brightness and tone. And Rabbit will keep learning from you and adapting to your behavior. It means you can focus on the task at hand and let Rabbit take care of the rest. Whenever you have a specific need, gesture control creates a completely invisible interface, so you can access a vast menu of lighting possibilities with just a simple movement. From any area, adjust the tone from cool to warm, or diffuse light effortlessly. Rabbit even includes a powerful 16,000 lumen brightness, which can be used for professional lighting requirements. This is combined with independently controlled LEDs to provide an adaptive, movable light source. For an added sense of security, Rabbit uses panoramic vision technology to offer a monitoring system with 0 blind spots. It will detect any unplanned visitor and send you a notification immediately. When it comes to meetings, Rabbit provides live panoramic video communication. 4 cameras with fully integrated microphones allow you to view and speak directly to the room, wherever you are in the world.
Hey Rabbit, play the music.
And of course, Rabbit brings you incredible space-filling sound. Using 2 high-fidelity speakers, which cascade music directly from the top of the room, giving you a truly immersive listening experience. In addition, we designed Rabbit to be simple to use and easy to install. The AirPath can be set up between any 2 surfaces, allowing the Rabbit to adapt and move through any space. Ultimately, our goal is to use the most advanced artificial intelligence technology and fabrication techniques to reimagine your environment. And this is only the beginning.